In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed audio on WordPress.com. Whether you're running a blog, an online portfolio, or a personal website, adding audio content can be a great way to engage your audience. Let's dive right in and simplify the process of embedding audio on your WordPress site. First things first, open your web browser and go to WordPress.com. Once there, log in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one. But for now, let's assume you've already set this up. Once logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard. It's from here that you have access to all the different features and editing tools that WordPress offers. Next, navigate to your dashboard by clicking on your site title on the top of the page. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Posts option in the left-hand menu. Click on this to reveal more options. Then select All Posts to view the posts you have created. Now, to embed audio, choose a post where you want to add the audio content. If it's a new post, you can simply click Add New. But if you're adding to an existing post, find the post in the list and click Edit. You'll now be in the post editor. Here, locate the plus icon, typically found at the top left of your editing toolbar within the block editor interface. The plus icon is your gateway to adding various block types to your post content, including the one we're interested in today, audio. Then, in the search box that appears, type in audio. This will filter the block options to show you the audio block. Click on it to add it to your post. Once you have the audio block placed, you can upload an audio file directly from your computer. Click on the Upload button within the audio block, navigate through your computer's file system to find the audio file you wish to embed, select it, and then click Open. After the file uploads, it'll appear within your post where you place the audio block. Double-check everything to make sure it appears as you want it to, and when you're satisfied, go ahead and click on Publish at the top of the screen to make the changes live on your site. Congratulations! You've now successfully embedded audio into your WordPress.com site. Whether you're sharing podcasts, music, or any other audio content, this method ensures your media is seamlessly integrated into your online presence. Thank you for following along with these steps, and I hope this enhances the interactive experience for your site visitors.